Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. So here a circuit is given to us. Is asking us determine the current I and the voltage across 2.2 ohm resistor and the remaining parameters which is marked here. Okay, so here you can see here this is a voltage source, this is also an voltage source, this is also an voltage source where the battery terminals are marked, but the terminals for the resistors are not marked. So I am assuming a current of I amperes is flowing. It will develop a positive entering as positive terminal, leaving as negative terminal, and for this resistor current will enter at positive terminal and it leave at negative terminal, and current is flowing and it enters at positive terminal and it leaves as negative terminal. This is the value of I which is flowing. Okay, so now we not to link it, let's try to apply KVL. Let's try to do by two methods. Whatever method you feel comfortable, you can do. So method one. Okay. So current is leaving. Okay. Current I is leaving. Or the leaving voltage terminal of the 26 volts plus 26 volts, and current is flowing. Okay. What is the terminal of this resistor, which is nothing but minus V1 is the voltage, and current is leaving. What is the polarity of the source? Minus 9. Current is leaving. What is the polarity of this element? So minus. So we want to express in the form V equal to I into R. So minus, what is the current? Current of I amperes. So current into resistor. The current is I ampere and the resistor is 1.2 ohm. Okay, and again it enters at positive and leaves at negative. But the terminal of this 5 volts battery? Minus 5, and current is leaving. What is the leaving terminal? We have minus. We have to express in the form V equal to I into R. I is how much? I into 0.6 is equal to 0. So we try to form an closed path. So this is the equation obtained by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law. I am moving all these terminals to one side. So 26 minus 9 minus 5 minus V1. Okay, so these two I have been written this side, and I am taking common. So this case nothing but I of 1.2 plus I of 0.6. So in this expression I am taking I as an common, which is 1.2 plus 0.6. So when you solve it, 26 minus 9 minus 5, which is nothing but 12. Okay, so this value is 4. Therefore I is equal to 12 by 4, where current I is equal to how much? 3 amperes. So current I equal to 3 amperes. So I want to find the voltage V1. So what the current I is equal to 3 amperes. So how to find out V1 is nothing but what is the formula for voltage? I into R. What is the amount of current? I into R. R value is 2.2. So current is 3 multiplied with 2.2, that is equal to 6.6 volts. So that is your answer, 6.6 volts. So this is method 1. Those who feel comfortable, you can solve by method 1. So method 2, very simple. The method 1 is you have to write down the polarities of voltage whenever the current is leaving. Current is leaving plus 26. Current is leaving I into 2 point, where this is nothing but V1. Current is leaving, the polarity is minus 9. Current is leaving minus I into 1.2. So current is leaving, what is the polarity? Minus 5. Current is leaving, what is the polarity? I into 0.6. If you understand this equation, any problem you can solve in circuits. Second method is very simple. Here also I want to find the current. So current is flowing in this direction. So the current is flowing from this point to this point. I can write down current I is equal to V by R. What are the voltages? Current is moving. What is the voltage? 26 volts. Current is leaving. What is the polarity of the voltage? Minus 9. current is leaving. What is the polarity of the voltage? Minus 5 divided by R. What are the resistor? 2.2, 1.2 and 0.6, both are connected in series connection. Therefore, I can write down this as, so 2.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.6. Whenever you perform the calculation, this you are going to get it as 12 divided by 4, which is once again 3 amperes. You can see here by method 1 or method 2, the current is 3 ampere. V1 is equal to I into 2.2. So current is 3 into 2.2, which is 6.6 volts. So successfully by method 1 or method 2, I am able to find out the total current as well as the voltage across the resistor 2.2. Hope you are able to solve. So just by seeing this video, nothing you will get. So first listen the methodology, how I am explaining, and write down the given question as it is, and you apply the method how I apply to this problem. Then only the confidence will develop, and you will get a confidence only when you get the answer. Hope you are able to understand. So applying this KVL is very important. So you just write down the polarity set leaving minus 26 minus I into 2.2 minus 9 minus I into 1.2 minus 5 minus I into 0. If you understand this equation, any problem you can solve. Hope you understood the problem. If you feel the content is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you have any doubt at any time, just comment in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel. This is a free channel for the development of students and faculty. Meet you in the next video. Yours obediently, Ram.